How you doing, guys? Today what we're going to do is show how to add some memory to a Panasonic CF53. Panasonic CF53 is a tough book. It's the just about all the Panasonics you add the memory about the same way, but this particular one is an i5. Okay, so what you want to do first, you want to find your memory. This particular one takes the 10600S. This is the 2R by 8 PC3L. This is a 4 gigabyte stick by Hynix, SK Hynix Korea. That's a pretty common piece of memory made in that country. You can see it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 16 little chips on here, and if you divide that into the 4 gig, that gives you the size of it. This particular laptop will take 2 8s, 2 4s. You can put up to 16 gig in there. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is flip the bottom of the laptop over. You can see, if you look at the bottom of the laptop, there's a few areas here, drawers, and the only one we're really interested in is this one right here. We're going to go ahead and just take our screwdriver. I recommend a magnetic one, because then when you pull up the screw, it will come up on the screwdriver like that, which is a nice deal. Usually it should pop up a little. You'll see there's 2 slots in here. This is the original slot. And we'll move this here so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. The best way to add memory to these are to just put it in like this, you'll see. And with a medium pressure, push, and it will snap down. There's little little tabs here that'll grip it. And then you just take your drawer, put it back in, put it down, replace your screw, and that's it. And that is replacing the memory on a Panasonic CF53. It's pretty simple, guys, and as long as you have a 64-bit operating system, then it will see all of your 8 gig. If you only have a 32-bit, it will see a little bit less than 4 gig. But thanks a lot. Have a great day.